Good morning, students. Today I will teach you future perfect continuous tense. In this tense, I have already told you that there are two helping verbs, will have been and shall have been. I and with these two subjects are followed by shall have been, and other subjects are followed by will have been. I have already told you. And students, I have also told you that verb first form plus ing is used, and since or for these two words are used for showing time. Since is used for period of point of time, and for is used for period of time. Since just like since morning, since yesterday, since Christmas, since Diwali, since 2 o'clock, and period of time like for 2 hours, for many days, for a long time, etc. Positive sentence of future perfect continuous tense I have already taught you. Today we will study negative sentence. Today we will study negative sentence. Write down the rule of negative sentence. Say the rule of negative sentence. Negative sentence. In negative sentence, first of all, subject is written, then according to subject, will or shall is written, then subject is written, subject not is written, not is written, then have been is written, have been, then verb first form plus ing is written, then object is written. This is the since part. After object plus since or plus time is written. This is the in negative sentence. First of all, subject will be written. Then according to subject, will or shall is written. Then not, then have been, then object, then since for, then time is given. Example you can take. Example, first example, he will not have been playing. He will not have been playing chess for 2 hours. 2 hours. He will not have been playing chess for 2 hours. Negative sentence of future perfect continuous tense. One more example you can take. Here I am writing. We shall, second example, we shall not have been, we shall not have been walking in the garden since morning. Since morning. See? We shall not have been walking in the garden since morning. These two sentences are of future perfect continuous tense negative. Now students, write the rule of interrogative sentence. Write the rule of interrogative sentence. Rule. Write down all of it. Rule of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Students, I have told you that interrogative sentences are of two types. One starts with helping verb, another starts with question why. First of all, first rule you should write when the sentence starts with helping verb. The rule right now. Rule rule is first of all coming to subject. We are silent region, then subject is written, then have been is written, then verb first of plus ing is written, then object is written. After object, since are is written, since are is written, then time is given. Then question mark also. Until you are using question mark, sentence will be considered to be done. We are silent coming to subject, then subject, then have been, then verb plus ing, then object, then since for the time. Example you can take. Example. Will you have been reading a story? Will you have been reading a story? Or will you have been reading a story for 2 hours? It is interrogative sentence. It started with helping or will. Students, one more example you can take of this one. Write one more example. One more example. Shall we have been going? Shall we have been going to school? Going to school since Monday. Shall we have been going to school since Monday? Shall we have been going to school since Monday? Interrogative sentence started with helping verb. You will write these rules in your paragraph. Now one rule is left. When the sentence starts with question word, you shouldn't write down that. If the sentence starts with question word, then what you do? Write down that rule. You should write rule second. First of all, question word is written. Then according to subject, we are silent written, then subject is written, then have been, then verb plus ing is written, plus object is written, plus since are is written. Then time is given, then question mark. This is the rule. About question word, then will answer, then subject, then have been, then verb plus ing, then object, then since, for, then time, then question mark. This is the rule. Example you can take. Why will you have been running in the field or running in the field for 2 hours? See, why will you have been running in the school for running in the field for 2 hours? Why will you have been running in the field for 2 hours? Interrogative sentence of future perfect continuous tense. started with question word why. Students, if the sentence starts with who, so in this type of sentence, subject is hidden. If subject is hidden, then how to write the sentence is? If the sentence starts with who, first of all, who is written, then will have been, shall have been written, will have been or shall have been written, shall have been plus verb form plus ing plus object plus since form plus time plus question mark in. This is the rule. If sentence starts with who, this rule is followed. First of all, who is written, then will have been, shall have been recalling to subject, then word first form plus ing plus object plus since form plus time. Students, example you can see. Example you can take. Example, who will have been singing, who will have been singing a song since morning, who will have been singing a song since morning. This is. Students, if interrogative sentence is a negative also, then after subject not is written. After subject not is written. If interrogative sentence is negative, of any tense, in any tense, if interrogative sentence is negative, after subject not word is used. Example of this tense you can take. Example of this tense. Example, will you not have been reading a novel? Will you not have been reading a novel for 2 hours? Will you not have been reading a novel for 2 hours? Here this sentence is interrogative and negative also. If interrogative sentence either started with helping word or started with question word, no matter. If this type of sentence is negative also, the not word is used after subject. Use subject and after that not has been used. In this way, students, today we have studied future perfect continuous tense, and this is the last kind of future tense. I have taught you that especially 3 tenses are there: present tense, past tense, future tense, and each tense has been divided into 4 parts. And today I have finished all tenses, and you have to write all the rules in your pair copies, and you should learn them, and when it is asked, then you should submit to your respective teachers. Another day, students, I will teach you supplementary reader next lesson. Thank you.